When a future queen walks into a factory, the world expects a standard photo op. But what Princess Kate did in a small Welsh town recently wasn't just royal duty, it was a masterclass in high-stakes survival. Imagine a town that once produced 35,000 pairs of jeans a week, only to see its heart ripped out when production moved overseas. For nearly 2 decades, the machines were silent. But Kate didn't just visit to see the comeback. She sat down at the machines to prove that the Made in Britain tag isn't just a label, it's a revolution. And there's a reason why she was specifically focused on a pair of jeans meant for Prince William. You see, the brand Kate visited, Hiut Denim, operates on a grand master system. They don't just hire workers, they hire artists. One of the cutters she met, Claudio, started on that very site in 1968. He's seen the rise, the total collapse, and now the royal resurgence. But here's where the curiosity spikes. Hiut doesn't just make jeans, they name them after the grandparents of the staff. There's the Mari, named after the factory manager's grandmother, and the Benjamin. Every stitch has a heartbeat. As Kate navigated the factory floor, she stumbled upon the Wear Test Lab, a secretive room where denim enthusiasts stress test jeans before they ever hit the market. It's this level of perfectionism that caught the princess's eye. But why would a royal care so much about a pair of 245-pound pants? It's because of a silent glitch in the modern fashion industry, the death of durability. Kate was there to champion the free repairs for life policy. She met Paul, the repairman, who takes jeans that look like they've been through a war zone and literally weaves the cotton back into the fibers using a technique called darning. No patches, no shortcuts, just invisible restoration. This is the Deja Blue program, where luxury meets a circular economy. It's a bold statement in a world of disposable clothes, and Kate wanted to see if she had the knack for it herself. Before we get to the moment Kate took over the sewing machine and her hilarious confession about her past sewing disasters, I want to hear from you. If you could have one item of clothing repaired for life instead of buying new, what would it be? Is it a lucky pair of jeans or a vintage jacket? Drop a comment below. I love seeing what pieces you guys value most. And if you're enjoying this look into how the royals are shifting global trends, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Done? Great. Now let's get back to it. The tension in the room spiked when Kate sat down at the heavy-duty sewing machine. No pressure, she joked, but the factory floor went quiet. Wearing high heels, she had to master the delicate foot pedal of a machine that can stitch through heavy Japanese selvage denim, a fabric so complex it takes 2 hours just to weave a single meter. This wasn't a prop. She was actually attaching the final Made in Wales label to a pair of jeans for Prince William. With a steady hand and a bit of royal focus, she nailed it. "He will love these," she said, looking at the finished product. But it wasn't all perfect. Kate laughed as she admitted her most adventurous sewing project to date was a pair of pajamas that have since vanished, likely a creative disaster she'd rather forget. It's these human moments, tucked between the high-end craftsmanship and the industrial history, that keep the Kate effect alive. She isn't just a figurehead, she's a scout for a new kind of economy, one that values the person behind the machine as much as the person wearing the product. As she left the factory to greet the crowds of schoolchildren waiting outside, the message was clear. The future of luxury isn't just about how much something costs, it's about how long it lasts and the hands that built it. Kate didn't just check out how premium jeans are made, she checked into the soul of a town that refused to stay defeated. The machines in Cardigan are humming again, and this time the whole world is listening.